can I convert my concrete swimming pool to a vinyl liner swimming pool? This is a question that comes up a lot when you've got an old broken concrete swimming pool and perhaps you just had an expert come out and give you a price to remediate your pool, or maybe they even told you it's not possible, or if it was so much money you're thinking there's got to be a better way than this because I just can't afford that. Can you put a vinyl line? You can do a lot of stuff, but it's not really a good idea to put a vinyl liner in a concrete swimming pool. I mean, over and above the fact that it's not a vinyl liner swimming pool, it's a concrete swimming pool, and they are in fact fundamentally different. It's just not a good idea from a longevity perspective. If you really go hunting out there, you'll find somebody who will give you a price to put a vinyl liner in your concrete swimming pool. But in reality, they're doing you a disservice with this. I mean, they know that the liner's not going to last. And when I say it's not going to last, what I mean is, like, a liner used to last 20, 25 years, but there's a lot of chemicals that aren't used in the vinyl manufacture process anymore. And, you know, everything's made cheaper these days. And really, you're looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 years as an average lifespan for a vinyl liner. A vinyl liner in a concrete swimming pool, I would probably give that maybe closer to a 3-year, 5-year time frame, something like that. I actually personally know a couple of vinyl liner manufacturers who will refuse to make a vinyl liner if they can determine by the shape that it's a concrete swimming pool that it's going in, because they know it's a disservice to the owner of the pool and that it's not going to last. So could you do it? You absolutely could. We've all seen it done. You've got an old concrete pool. It's falling apart. They're a ton of money to fix them up once you let them go. And that's assuming there's not big structural cracks in it, which, you know, you just might not be able to repair. And then you look at installing a coping track around the rim of the pool and hanging a vinyl liner in it. Could you do it? Yes, you could do it. You are doing a disservice to your pool and to your property value. You're probably compromising the longevity that you're going to get. It's not really a vinyl liner swimming pool. It's still a broken concrete swimming pool that you're attempting to put a big old Band-Aid on. And for the most part, my professional recommendation is I would never say to do that. As a concrete pool builder myself, I think there's ways that you can fix them. And if you can't fix them, then do the right thing, pour a new concrete shell in there and fix it properly. But, that is big money, and I can respect that. So that some people will get into a situation where they maybe bought an old house and it had a big concrete pool and it needs way more work than they anticipated. That's a failure. You're trying to solve this at the wrong point in the equation. The time to solve that was before you bought the house. The pool was showing you symptoms that it needed a lot of work and you didn't know how much it costs. It doesn't make a vinyl liner in that swimming pool any more of a valid solution. It is still a Band-Aid. It's still something that's going to compromise the swimming pool in terms of its value and then in terms of its service longevity. You're constantly going to be dealing with leaks in that thing. The vinyl liner probably won't fit well. You'll probably have issues. There's technical issues. Like a vinyl liner swimming pool allows water to travel through the floor of it. That's how they function. A concrete swimming pool doesn't work like that. You would have to do remediation, like drill holes into the floor, things like that, to make sure that the hydrostatic pressure can equalize underneath of the liner. Because again, concrete pools are fundamentally built different than vinyl liner swimming pools. And so, in short, I say to the average homeowner asking this question, hey, can I just drop a liner in this pool? No, don't do it. There's a lot more to consider here than you're thinking about right now. From a technical perspective, if I had a concrete pool and the challenge was, can I hang a liner in it? You bet I'd be able to hang a liner in it, and it probably wouldn't cost very much money. And if I was really careful, I could probably do a good job of it and make it last for a reasonably long time, but it's still going to be a vinyl liner hanging in a concrete swimming pool. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.